Hello everyone, I'm Charles. Welcome to Graphic Design Quick Start. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how to render type in smoke in Photoshop. We will start with this image and finally get to this. This is the kind of a final effect we are aiming to achieve. Let us switch back to a starting composition. Let's go to the layers panel. Here we have this text layer and this smoke background that we got from Envato. The first thing we need to do is create a black layer. Click the smoke layer. Go to the bottom of the layers panel. Click on the plus icon to add a new layer. Press D for default foreground and background colors. Since our foreground color is black, press Alt backspace, Option backspace on a mark to fill the layer with black. The next thing we need to do is merge the black layer with the text layer. That is very important for effect to work. For you to keep the layers editable, we are going to merge using a smart object. Select the two layers. Right click on the smoke layer and click on Convert to Smart Object. The next step is to apply smart filters. Go to Filter, go to Distort, Wave. You can leave the number of generators to 5, crank the wavelength to 900 max, and your amplitude to 75. Leave the horizontal scale to 1 since you don't want a horizontal wave. Leave the vertical wave at 100%. You can always click the randomize button to get different kind of an effect. Let us keep that. Since this is a smart filter, you can always come back and randomize again. Let us click OK. Let us change the wave filter a little. Click on randomize. Let us go with that. Click OK. The next step is to apply motion blur. Go to Filter, Blur, Motion Blur. The angle of the motion blur is determined by the direction of the smoke. Let us cancel out and see what is the direction of our smoke. Hide the smoke text. Our smoke seems to be moving from bottom to top. That means our motion blur angle will be 90 degrees. Go back to Filter, Blur, Motion Blur. Give it an angle of 90 degrees. A distance of 150. Here the distance will be determined by the resolution of the image. My image has a higher resolution, therefore I used higher pixels. If the image is low resolution, use lesser pixels. Click OK. Let us make a smoke text interact with the background. We do that by changing the blend mode. Change it to color dodge. That gives us this bright punchy effect. The next step, let us give a blur around the whole image. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Give it a radius of 40, and if an image has a lower pixels, give it a radius of around 20. Click OK. If you feel the effect is too much, change the opacity of your text layer. And color dodge is one of those blend modes that their fill acts differently from the opacity. Change the fill to 8%. And there we have it. Let me press Shift F to fill the layer in the window and zoom in. And that's how you render type in smoke in Photoshop. That's it for today. Like, share, and consider subscribing to our channel so that you don't miss out on the next episode.